Here's my new song called My Ex. And this goes out for my ex. The day you left me, I had no choice but to scream. You are my ex, I don't care than what I did before. When you're walking down the stairs, you glare at me like I'm some sort of rude thing. And then I said, when you said to someone that I did something, so then I just screamed, did you ever really love me the day that we broke up? And you were nothing to me. Then one day I had no choice left to but scream goodbye. You are nothing to me. Was it ever really love if the day that we broke up? And 3, 2, 1. You made some real big mistakes, and I said that you look like an idiot, that you look so rude. I had no choice but to scream, I do not care for love. You only made a big mistake, and that was your loss. So if you change your mind, I probably won't take it back. That day that you left me, I felt sorry for myself. We had been friends for 4 years, and then you decided to break up. Then one day my friend asked me something, and I'm like, no, that's not true anymore. People used to say weird things about me and him. You used to think we were good, but then he just broke up with me the day you broke up with me, as you said there is nothing to us. Yes, I don't care if you find someone else.